So now here you can see that this is a cuboid. Here it is like this shape. This is in the shape of cuboid. This is the longest side, so it is called length. This is breadth and this is the height. It is clear. Now here this is also in the cuboid shape. It is clear. Now if length, breadth and height all the three are equal, here length, breadth and height all the three are having the different length. Length is not equal to breadth, is not equal to height. But here length, breadth and height all the three are equal. L, B, H all the three are equal. You can see here what is length here. This is length. This is breadth. It's clear. And this one is height. This is height. Similarly here this side is length, this is breadth and this is the height. Now if you see a cuboid, then cuboid is having 6 faces and opposite faces are of equal size. In cuboid or cube there are 6 faces. Face 1, 2, 3, 4, this face 5 and this is 6. There are 6 faces and opposite faces are of equal size. While in cube all the faces are of equal size because all are having the same dimension. Here length, breadth, height all the three are equal. Now what is the cross section here? Cross section means anything which is perpendicular to length. That area, that surface which is perpendicular to the length. If you see this, here this is the length. Which surface is perpendicular to the length? This surface. This surface is perpendicular to the length. Its cross section is in what shape? In rectangular shape. Its cross section is in rectangular shape. What will be the area of cross section? Since this is breadth and this is the height, therefore B into H. Similarly, if you see this, what is length? Length is this. लेंथ के जो परपेंडिकुलर सरफेस होगा वो कैसा होगा? वो क्रॉस सेक्शन कहा जाता है. मीन्स दिस विल बी द क्रॉस सेक्शन. दिस सरफेस विल बी क्रॉस सेक्शन. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द लेंथ. दिस एज इज कॉल्ड द लेंथ. ये एज क्या है? लेंथ है. इसका एरिया क्या होगा? इट इज बी इंटू एच. बी एच. इट इज क्लियर. सिमिलरली इफ यू सी दिस chalk piece, if here you can see this is a chalk piece. Here this is its length is this. What is cross section? Cross section is this surface. Here cross section is circular in shape. Cross section is circular in shape. So here in this diagram what is the cross section? Cross section is this shaded area. What will be its area? Area of cross section will be area of cross section. CS means B into H. You keep on writing also. B into H. Area of cross section. CS means cross section. So what is the volume of cuboid? Volume of cuboid. So volume of cuboid equals to length into area of cross section. Area of cross section. Length into area of cross section. So what is length? Length is L. Area of cross section B into H. B into H. So what is the formula of volume of cuboid? It is L into B into H. It is clear. Now see here. There is one to area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls, which we also call it the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. See here, what will be the lateral surface area? Area of 4 walls. You can see this. What are the 4 walls? This is one wall is this, other wall is opposite to this, third is this, and fourth is opposite to this. These are the four walls of this cuboid. It is clear. What is the area of this wall? इस वॉल का एरिया क्या होगा बोलो? B इंटू एच, और B इंटू एच ये हुआ तो इधर भी कितना हुआ? B इंटू एच. नाउ व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ दिस वॉल? L into H. So in this side also L into H means what will be the area of four walls? 2 times L into H and 2 times B into H. This is clear. 2 times L into H and 2 times B into H. So it will be 2 times L into H plus 2 times B into H. Now you take out 2 common and H common in that side. 2 you take out common in left side and H you take out common in right side. So it is 2 within bracket L plus B into H. It is the area of 4 walls. It is the area of 4 walls. It is clear. Now see here. Here you can see if you have to determine the total surface area. Total surface area, which we call it TSA, total surface area. Afterwards, total surface area, TSA. How will you find TSA? So TSA you can see here. जो हमने 4 वॉल्स का एरिया फाइंड आउट किया है, इन दैट यू एड द एरिया ऑफ अपर सरफेस एंड एरिया ऑफ बॉटम सरफेस विच इज बेस. व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ बेस हियर? दिस इज L and this is B, so it will be L into B, and here also L into B. Means in this you will add how much? 2 times of L into B. इसमें कितना और ऐड कर दे? 2 times of L into B. So you write down 2 L into H, L into B I have written, plus 2 times of L into H plus 2 times of B into H. When you will take out 2 common, what will you get? LB plus LH plus BH. Or you can say it as 2 within bracket LB plus BH plus HL. This will be the total surface area. Now what will be the unit of area? It will be square meter or cubic meter? Square meter. Square centimeter, square millimeter. It will be in square and unit of length, while volume will be in cubic meter, cubic centimeter. This you will remember. Now there is one more thing, diagonal. What will be the diagonal of the cuboid? Diagonal of the cuboid means you join this vertex from this diagonally opposite this vertex. Means इस vertex को इस वाले वर्टेक्स से मिला दें. ये जो वर्टेक्स है यहाँ पर, उसको कहाँ से मिला देंगे? यहाँ से. इट्स क्लियर. सो आई एम शोइंग हियर इन द डायग्राम व्हाट विल बी द डायगोनल. यू कैन सी हियर इट इज द लॉन्गेस्ट लेंथ इनसाइड द cuboid. Diagonal is the longest length inside the cuboid. How will you, what will be the cuboid here? You can see here, you join this vertex with this. इसको क्या है? इससे हमने मिला दिया. This will be the diagonal. Now how will you find the length of the diagonal? So see here, how will you find the length of the diagonal? What is this length? This length is L. What is this length? This length is B. इतनी लेंथ कितनी है? This length is B. This much length is B and this much length is L. So what will be this? What will be this length? So you can apply the Pythagoras theorem here. This angle do not appear 90 degree, but actually all the angles are 90 degree. सब एंगल्स यहाँ पर क्या होंगे, दो साइड्स के बीच का एंगल्स क्या होता है क्यूबॉइड में 90 डिग्री. क्यूब में क्या होता है दो साइड्स के बीच का एंगल 90 डिग्री. सो व्हाट विल बी दिस लेंथ? इट विल बी द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ L square plus B square. It's clear? Now how much is this length? This is H. This is the H. So what will be the diagonal? Diagonal will be D square will be, because this angle will also be 90. This angle will also be 90. So this is the diagonal whose length is D. D square will be equal to H square plus sky square plus this square. And what is this square? When you will do the square, square root will be removed. So D square equals to L square plus B square plus H square. Means what is D? D equals to square root L square plus B square plus H square. This is the length of diagonal of the cuboid. Length of diagonal of the cuboid. For example, in this room, what is the cuboid? You join this vertex from that vertex. आए समझे? इस वाले vertex को वहां से join करेंगे. That will be the diagonal. It's clear? And it is the longest length which can be placed inside the, it is the longest length inside the cuboid. Means length of longest rod which can be put inside cuboid. So what will be the length of the longest rod which can be put inside the cuboid? It will be equal to diagonal. And it is equal to diagonal, therefore it is equal to L square plus B square plus H square. So see here, all of you remember this thing. What is the volume of cuboid? L into B into H. What is the total surface area of cuboid? 2 within bracket LB plus BH plus HL. What is the, you can say, area of 4 walls? So 2 within bracket L plus B into H. And what is 2 within bracket L plus B? It is the perimeter of base. It is the perimeter of base. 2 within bracket L plus B is the perimeter of base. So you can see here, you can write area of 4 walls in this way also. Perimeter of base into height. Perimeter of base into height. It's clear? Now after this we will see what is all these things in cube. How will you find these things in cube? In the cube, length, breadth and height, all the three are equal. In a cube, L equals to B equals to H equals to E. And each side is known as edge. Each side is known as edge. Edge of cube. What is the meaning of edge? एज का मतलब क्या होता है हिंदी में? कोर. ये एक एज ये है, एक एज ये है, एक एज क्या है? ये. इट इज क्लियर? इट इज द एज ऑफ द क्यूब. सो सी हियर, व्हाट विल बी वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब? Volume of cube. How will you find? We will use these formulae, L into B into H. Therefore, A into A. It will be A into A. That is A cube. A cube means side cube. A cube means side cube. So what will be the side of cube? साइड ऑफ क्यूब, क्यूब की साइड क्या हो जाएगी? इट विल बी द क्यूब रूट ऑफ वॉल्यूम. वॉल्यूम इक्वल्स टू साइड क्यूब, देयरफॉर साइड विल बी इक्वल टू क्यूब रूट ऑफ वॉल्यूम. इट इज क्लियर? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वॉल्यूम इज 729 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. Volume of the cube is 729 centimeter cube. What will be its each edge? Who can tell? What will be its each side? It will be cube root of 729. What is cube root of 729? 9 centimeter. It will be 9 centimeter. Now after this, what is the area of 4 walls? Area of 4 walls. So you can see here 2 within bracket L plus B, that is A plus A into height is A, that is equals to 2 into 2A into A, that is 4A square. It is 4A square, area of 4 walls. It's clear? Then total surface area. You can see here total surface area will be equal to total surface area. What is the formula? LB plus BH plus HL. Here each side is equal to A. Therefore A into A plus A into A plus A into A. So this will be equals to 2A square plus A square plus A square, that is equal to 2 into 3A square, that is 6 into A square. Now what is A here? What is A? Here each side of the cube is A. Now diagonal. So diagonal will be equal to L square plus B square plus H square. Therefore A square plus A square plus A square, that is equals to square root 3A square, or you can write A root 3. Means diagonal will be side root 3. Now all of you see question number 13. A certain quantity of wood costs rupees 250 per meter cube. Rupees 250 per meter cube. This line means, इसको हम क्या पढ़ते हैं? पर मीटर क्यूब. Now what is its meaning? Yes, you. Rupees 250 per meter cube. What does it mean?
Per meter cost is 250.
Per meter cube की कास्ट क्या है? Rupees 250. Means what is the cost of 1 meter cube wood? It is rupees 250. Cost of 1 meter cube wood is rupees 250. A solid cubical block of such wood is bought for rupees 182.25. Means हमने एक इसका क्यूबिकल ब्लॉक परचेज किया है जिसकी कास्ट क्या है? दिस. इट्स क्लियर? द ब्लॉक ऑफ वुड इज इन क्यूबिकल शेप. मीन्स लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ एंड हाइट ऑल द 3 आर इक्वल. यूज द मेथड ऑफ कैलकुलेट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द ब्लॉक and use the method of factors to find the length of one edge of the cube. One edge of the cube means cube की एक side find out करनी. First you have to find volume and then you have to find side. So see here, how will you find its volume? So you can see here, rupees 250 is the cost of 1 meter cube. Therefore ₹1 is the cost of, किसकी कास्ट होगी? कितने वॉल्यूम की कास्ट होगी? 1 upon 250. It is simple arithmetic. It is clear. Therefore, this will be the cost of rupees 182.25 will be the cost of how much? 1 upon 250 into 182.25. This meter cube. It's clear? Means how will you find the volume? Cost of the cube divided by cost of 1 meter cube. Cost of the cube divided by cost of 1 meter cube. So you write down volume of cube means volume of cube. Cost of cube upon cost of 1 meter cube. So now you place the values. It will be 182.25 divided by 250. This is in meter cube. How will you convert in centimeter cube? How will you convert? मीटर क्यूब मीन्स मीटर इंटू मीटर इंटू मीटर. मीटर को कितनी बार मल्टीप्लाई करना है? 3. सो हाउ विल यू कन्वर्ट इन सेंटीमीटर? इंटू 100 इंटू 100 इंटू 100 10 to the power 6. It's clear? Or into 100 into 100 into 100. So 182.25 into 100 into 100 into 100 divided by 250. Now you simplify. This is in centimeter cube. When you will simplify, 0 0 cancel, 25 1 ja, 25 4 ja. When you will further simplify, it is 182.25 into 100 means क्या हो जाएगा? Decimal will shift 2 place forward, 2 place ahead. That is 182.25 into 4 into 10 40. So this much centimeter cube. Now you calculate this. So this is 0 4 5 ja 22. This centimeter cube. Now we have to determine the each side of the cube. How will you find? Cube root of volume. Each side of cube. It is equal to cube root of volume. So now see here, it is 729, that is equals to 9 into 9 into 9 into 10 into 10 into 10. So it will be 90 centimeter. 90 centimeter. So tomorrow we will do the remaining questions.